In this video, I'll show you how to buy any amount of cryptocurrency with the lowest possible fees. The method I'll teach you can save you hundreds of dollars, so stick around until the end of this video if you want to elevate your crypto investing to the next level. Let's get into the step-by-step guide. Step 1 is to create a Binance account and then click deposit and then click bank deposit. Then select the SEPA bank transfer option, it doesn't matter which one, and then click continue. Enter the amount you want to send to Binance, and it has to be at least 15 euros. And as you can see here, the fee will only be 1 euro. Click continue. Then you will be sent to this page, which contains all the necessities you need to make a bank transfer directly from your bank to Binance. For clarification, do I mean this box? Then you'll have to go to your own private bank and click on login, in my case Swedbank, and then click on payments and transfers. Click on payments abroad and then click on add recipient. Firstly, copy your IBAN number from Binance and then paste it into your bank page. Copy your bank name from Binance and then paste it into your bank's website. I chose to paste the address directly from the bank's website because it was shorter than the one from Binance. However, either address works fine. You'll notice that I had to shorten the address slightly to meet my bank's requirements, but that's perfectly fine as long as the address remains valid. Select the country that's on the address. Then click add. Done. Now click on New Payment/Transfer. Choose the account you want to send the money from. Click on Add Recipient again. Choose Recipient Abroad. And then paste in the same IBAN number as before. Pick Euro as the currency and write in the same amount as you put into the Binance bank transfer sheet. Describe what kind of transaction this is in the message to recipient box. Then add the payment and approve it. Now wait 1 or 2 days and you should see your deposit appear on Binance. And as a side note, did I pay an additional 15 euro fee because of my bank's policy, but I believe that this differs from bank to bank. Thanks for watching, bye.